really broad strokes, setting explicit expectations and intentions, accommodating the participants, about creating a structure for engagement. And why are we having this meeting? Do we really need to have this meeting at all? What's keeping you or your department or your unit from having good meetings? What signals to you that a meeting will be productive? Articulate or articulated agenda. What helps you stay engaged in a meeting? Breakout sessions and polling. And not everybody feels great about speaking in front of that many people. The second point here is ask good questions. You need to really be cognizant of people's experience. What makes a meeting productive, engaging, or even enjoyable? So cameras and mics on or off. Really recapping what happened, and those action items are very important because misunderstandings happen all the time. Really being clear about what the action items are, who's doing them and when, that's a real problem because we're on cycles. Be understanding of other people's situation, be sympathetic as much as you can, because we're all trying as hard as we can at this point, right?